All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. You are catching us live. This is a unique, exclusive video. I got 2 minutes left. I'm trying to buy this domain, settle.com, settl.com. I am a buyer of a lot of domains, 600 to 700 domains. I plan to use this name if I get it. Look at the price, $38.50. If Frontline Lisee sees me bidding on this, she's going to go nuts. But there's 2 minutes left in the auction. I want to show you. I'm going to place one bid. If I don't get it, that's it. Okay, so that's as high as I would want to go for this domain. But I'm going to go over this, and then I'm going to give you some due diligence things you need to think about if you're going to try to be buying an expired domain. This is very important. So GoDaddy, I'm with their exclusive club. I get this expired domains newsletter from my incredible, who shall remain unnamed, my incredible executive domain rep. He's so good, I don't want to tell you his name. You guys will all want him. Anyway, I send this. Here's settle.com. They had a price at $610 and a price of a GoDaddy evaluation price at $71.92. So I said, you know what? That would be a great domain for me to buy a property in the metaverse and set up a virtual ADR center, settle.com, in the metaverse, either on like the Decentraland or Sandbox. But I'm going to show you something. I got 1:42 left on the bid. Usually you want to make sure when you're buying these domains, scroll down to the bottom. This is very important for you to read. If you read this in very small writing down here, this is so key, and you need to read it. So GoDaddy auction sellers are responsible for ensuring that the offered domains do not infringe on third-party trademarks. And that goes for buyers too. Before you buy a domain, down here they give you some places you can go, and I'm going to show you how to do that after this domain purchase. But I'm going to give one swing at this. And again, I hope Front Lisee doesn't hear about this, but I would love to have this domain added to my portfolio of about 600. I buy mostly legaldomains.com. Easy to spell, easy to remember, and I think the .coms are, here to stay. A lot of other extensions that popped up, .io, .ai, .ca, .co, all kinds of things. 44 seconds left. You get to hitting the excitement here. So I'm going to go with about 10 seconds left, and I'm going to go up $50. We'll see. So this is exciting, but I already did my due. What? You can go up 100. I can go up 100? She said I can go to $4 grand.
Go $4 grand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 23 seconds left. I'm going to see if I can snuff out the competition.
It's over.
Oh, Frontline Lisee backs me. All right, come on, baby. Bring this domain home. I need this. Come on. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Bring it home for daddy. Let's go. Vondran Legal. 5, 4. Let's get it in. Place bid. 40,000. I've been outbid. Increase bid. Oh, they're extending it. Oh, there's a 5-minute extension. I did not know this. Good, that will give me a chance to talk to you. I'm currently outbid, as you can see. Somebody really wants this domain. And here's the history of the domains if you've never used this. There's your estimated value. You can see what GoDaddy says. The value of each domain by looking at millions of historical domain name sales. The estimated value may or may not rely upon this particular domain sales data, as the domain may not have previously sold. But here's what I wanted to show you, okay? Before I decided, yeah, I'm going to make a bid on this, and this is what you guys should do. I know a lot of you don't think about it. You go, oh, it's a cool name, I'll buy it. But you don't want to buy this domain just to end up in a cyber squatting lawsuit where somebody says, hey, you bought my trademark. That's my trademark. So the first thing I do, and it's not in one of GoDaddy's links, that's why I'm telling you, is I would come here to the trademark searching, trademarks, just come here, search our database tests, USPTO, just search USPTO tests, and come in here, just do a basic word search, pretty simple, combine words. So let's just go SETTL. This is exactly what I did. And I said, okay, there are 2 people that have had, this one is dead. Okay, so somebody had the trademark registration on Settle, and let's take a look here. This is dead, so just take a look. When it's dead, it means it's available. They let it go. But this was a canceled mark. Alternative, funny enough, alternative dispute resolution services, namely conducting arbitration and mediation programs and neutral case evaluation. So they had this in 1997, 1999, but again, you see they let it die. If you don't keep it renewed and you don't keep using it, you lose it. So let's go check out the other one. This one is live. So now this is settle.it. It's a different domain, and they're in the category of computer software or downloadable mobile application software for brokering dispute settlements of personal and small business debt. So it's like a debt settlement. You can see settle.it would be good for that, for debt settlement. Would also be good for structuring structured settlements, which is another purpose that I'm looking for, is perhaps opening up into the area of structured settlements. So do your due diligence first. So I don't see any others, so you're probably pretty good there. But don't stop there. Where are we at? 3 minutes left here. Frontline Lisee, they're at $41.50.
One more extra $100.
Okay, I'm gonna wait one more time, and we'll see. Isn't she a sport? That's why I love her so much. Let's see. And here you can see some of the other so-called comparable domains. Pickle, $17.95. So we're way over what some of these other domains. But this cantle.com sold for $56.95. Come down a little bit more. You can see the estimated monthly page views, monthly revenue. But again, here are the other things here. They have a settle.com. So if you open the link in the new window, you could say, well, okay, well, good. It's just resolving back to GoDaddy. What happens is if your domains expire, GoDaddy has the rights to sell them, and that's what can happen. So again, you don't want to get into a cyber squatting dispute, by Nike.com, and turns out they accidentally expired, but you're trying to buy their domain with their trademark in it. That leads to cyber squatting cases. We've handled those cases. We do handle those cases, and could lead to a ACPA, Anti-Cyber Squatting Protection Act. But they also link you here to the Wayback Machine, archive.org. This is good if you want to go back and see, well, what kind of pages. They have pages up as early as 2001. If you want to go and look at those, and I did, typically if they have a page, you'll see a blue dot, and you can click on, but I'm running out of time here. So let me see where I'm at. Let me see where I'm at here. Somebody's really trying to bid me out. I got a minute left. So hang with me here. This could be an exciting finish, or it could be, just another domain that got away. So be it. I'll go get some more. But they'll link you to a Wikipedia. You can see if they have a Wikipedia page. You can search Yahoo. You can go and do a YouTube search, put it in quotes or use a hashtag, SETTL. You can go to Baidu. This is, I believe that's kind of a Asian or Chinese site, and Google. Now, if you go to Google, put it in quotes. Put settle, SETTL, in quotes, and see if you can get it that way. So, but anyway, do your due diligence. That way, when you buy these domains, you can truly celebrate. Otherwise, you may go like you buy it, and 2 months later you get a UDRP action from WIPO or National Arbitration Forum. So again, we handle cyber disputes and domain disputes, purchase and sale domain. The other nice thing about the expired auctions is you do not need escrow. Usually I will always recommend an escrow.com being my favorite, simplest, but you really don't need that. But because it's coming from GoDaddy, it usually takes 12, 15 days, the domain will be in your account. So this is it, Frontline Lisee. This is my last bid.
All right.
I'm not going any higher than 4,200.
Go for it.
You know what? I'll go 4,250 just to see if I can scare them off. All right, 13, 12, 11. This is going to be the end of the video one way or the other, folks. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's do it. Let's do it. Place the bid. Oh, somebody's all over me. Oh, it's still going. But that's going to be it for me. That's out of my price range. It's a little further than I would want to take a domain, me personally. So it's a beautiful name. I'm going to let it go. But that's a little overview of domains, buying domains with trademarks in it. Make sure you do a very due diligent, take a half hour, an hour if you're going to be spending this kind of money, $4,300. Take your time and do due diligence. You do not want to end up in a WIPO or a National Arbitration Forum domain dispute over your domain. Costs money, and you don't want to end up in that. And also, by the way, they can file a lawsuit against you in federal court. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't get the domain. I did my best, but there'll be others. There'll be others. Have a great day. Hope this has been helpful. If you like it, share it on your website. It's okay, I don't mind. Or give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you're a domain enthusiast, I love to connect with other domainers. Leave me a post on our site. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Well, yeah, we tried. We gave it our all.